Hello, thanks for stopping by. In my work as a corporate leadership coach, I have observed how many people are not aware about the importance of becoming a strategic thinker. In my mind, strategy and tactics belong together like husband and wife, but they are very different in the value they provide. Strategy is about intent, and tactics means putting intent to action. Tactical thinking often means staying focused on efficiency and quarterly KPIs, while strategic thinking is about creating a long-term plan that promises effectiveness. Having said this, in a world where employees are in a constant crisis and email management mode while putting out several fires, it can be difficult to wrap your head around strategic thinking. Tactical thinking could often be described as a band-aid solution and the desire for immediate gratification. Managers who are highly analytical and task-oriented often forget to focus on their two most important resources: people and time. I have seen so many dedicated managers working crazy long hours, spending their time on low-level operations, while their team members become more and more frustrated, disengaged, and disillusioned. All of this could be easily solved with a shift in focus from tactical thinking to strategic thinking. If you focus on tasks and numbers, this won't change. If you focus on people, everything is going to change. If you want to break that crazy cycle, make sure to leave your daily crisis mode and schedule some time to rest, think, and collect your thoughts. The easiest way to create more time is to take time. I promise. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.